Sharia banking or Sharia banks, they operate under Islamic law. So it means that from a banking point of view, there's certain industries that they won't invest in. So things like tobacco, pornography. In the main, Sharia banks make money just the same as mainstream banks or non-Islamic banks. So they take in customer deposits or deposits from businesses and they invest that cash and look to make a return on it. The difference being they don't charge interest rates or pay interest. What they do is they deploy the profits that they make as a banking organisation. And so from a savings point of view, you will still see these products advertised with an AER rate. In all cases, to date, the profit equivalent as an AER has actually been paid. But in theory, if that bank failed to make a profit and your capital was at risk, there is a make good clause. So the Sharia bank will ensure that out of its money, it will reimburse you with the money that you've saved. For Sharia banks to operate under the UK, they have to have the same licenses and permissions as any other bank. So basically they're controlled by the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, and the PRA, so Prudential Regulation Authority. Anyone can apply for a Sharia bank account or savings account, regardless of their religious views. If you open up a Sharia account, and the important factor to you is to note that it's Sharia compliant, Sharia banks have their own compliance regime. So as well as meeting the requirements of the UK regulators, it also has to meet the requirements of Islamic law. So that particular bank won't invest in certain industries. The fact that they don't invest in those industries, some people may deem that those banks are more ethical. So if that's important to you, that's something worth considering. Generally speaking, across the UK, Sharia banks are very, very competitive. So if rate is your primary aim, or you do believe Sharia banks offer a more ethical banking practice, then that should be the one that you consider. Across Raisin, we're really keen to give our customers the widest choice possible. So we have a range of products from different sectors. So it could be banks, it could be Sharia banks, it could be building societies. The important thing is to note, as well as giving choice, we also rank in the same way. So all of the products are ranked under AER, and all of the products that we provide, regardless of which provider they come from, are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme or the European equivalent.